Improving Windows 11 Firewall, a simple guide to secure your PC. The Windows Firewall is a built-in security feature in Windows 11 that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. By fine-tuning the firewall settings, you can significantly enhance your computer's protection against unauthorized access, malware, and cyber threats. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you improve your Windows 11 firewall settings and better secure your system. Step 1. Access Windows Firewall. Open the Start menu and type Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Protection to view firewall options for domain, private, and public networks. Step 2. Customize firewall settings. Turn on Firewall for all networks. Ensure the firewall is enabled for domain, private, and public networks. This blocks unauthorized access while still allowing trusted connections. Block all incoming connections, optional for advanced security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection Advanced Settings. Select Inbound Rules to block unnecessary traffic for higher security. Step 3. Create custom firewall rules. If you want more control over the firewall, you can create inbound or outbound rules to allow or block specific applications. In Advanced Settings, choose Inbound Rules or Outbound Rules. Click New Rule and follow the steps to allow/block a specific program. Filter connections based on IP addresses or ports. For example, block an app you no longer trust from sending data. Step 4. Enable notifications. Under Firewall and Network Protection, enable notifications to alert you when an app tries to communicate externally. This helps you monitor suspicious activities and take action. Step 5. Monitor firewall logs. To understand your network traffic. In Advanced Settings, turn on Logging. Use the logs to see which apps are accessing the network and identify any unusual connections. Why improving the firewall matters. Prevents unauthorized access to your PC. Protects your computer from malicious programs. Helps manage network traffic by blocking unnecessary communication. Conclusion. Improving your Windows 11 firewall settings is an essential step to boost your computer's security. By customizing rules, enabling notifications, and monitoring logs, you can ensure your PC remains safe from unauthorized access and cyber threats.